Hey, what's up, guys? Dan Henry here, and I am about to show you an interview that I just had from Tony Campanella. Tony is one of our 30-day agency students, and he's also in our 10K Club coaching program, and he just got some amazing results for a personal trainer on very little ad spend, and I'm about to show you the interview so you can see the exact offer he ran and how he did it. Hey everybody, Dan Henry here, and I am excited because I'm about to talk to Tony Campanella, who was able to land 9 high-end personal training clients for a personal trainer on less than $500 in ad spend, and how he did it is incredibly shocking. Honestly, it's nuts how he did it. So Tony, how you doing, man? How's it going? How you doing?
Awesome, Dan. Great to be here, brother.
Cool. So listen, you had a crazy offer for this, right? You put together a crazy offer for this. You have a personal trainer that you were able to get 9 clients for that are paying how much per month?
That's $249 per month.
$249 per month,
49.
9 clients. Now, so you're running Facebook ads for your advertising client. What was the offer?
So the offer was 2 free personal training sessions.
2 free. Okay, now hold on a second. Hold on. You're telling me that the offer was 2, not 1, but 2 totally free, no obligation, personal training sessions. They didn't have to buy nothing.
Yep.
It was just hey, free, right? And if they wanted to sign up and have more at the end, they could, right?
Right.
So how many leads did you get?
So we got 47 leads.
Okay. And how many people actually came in to claim the free personal training sessions?
Yeah, so out of those 47 leads, 14 people walked in the doors and went in for these training sessions.
And out of those 14 people that came in and got the free training, how many upgraded and bought the $249 a month package?
9 of them bought.
9 out of 14. Now, if that is not a testament to the power of free, I don't know what is. Now, listen, there are local business owners out there who would probably, if you said, let's give this away for free or that way for, they'd probably have a aneurysm over thinking like that's a terrible idea, blah, 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 blah. But the bottom line is the results speak for themselves. And you gave away 2 no obligation free personal training sessions. And let's talk numbers here for a second. So you spent less than $500 in ad spend, correct?
Right. Yep. Less than 500.
Okay. So you spent less than 500, and forgetting month 2, month 3, month 4, month 11, month 12, forgetting that for a moment, how much money did you make for the personal training? Just month 1. So 9 people at $249, whatever that. You probably got a calculator there. What is that for the first month?
Plug it in. So that's $2,241.
So $2,241 off of less than $500 in ad spend. Even if everybody only stays on a month, that's still an incredible ROI. But what happens if they stay on for, say, a year?
So for 12 months, I just plugged that in. So that's $26,892
off less than $500 in ad spend. That's crazy. And that's just what you got. You just started that campaign. That is crazy. Tony, I think you're going to make a lot of money in this business. I think you're going to make a lot of money for your clients in this business, especially personal trainers. So that is awesome. Let me ask you this. I think there's a burning question everyone wants to know right now that's watching this. How did you convince your personal trainer to offer 2 free personal training sessions? How did you do that?
Actually, it was straight from, I followed basically straight from one of your lessons, and it was, basically just going down and explaining and just doing the math, kind of like we did here, but just doing the math and saying, hey, if you can talk to X amount of people, leads, and then X amount of people come in, and then X amount of people buy, what are you going to make? And we kind of just did some math and projected, and then just said, does it make sense to try this offer out?
Right, exactly.
And see how much you can make from it.
And they said yes?
And he said yes.
And I bet he's pretty happy with the results now, huh?
Right, and now he's stoked. Now he's so happy,
That is awesome. That is awesome. Killer. So awesome, man. I'm so happy to hear about your success with this. I know you're going to be massively successful. When you were on the 10K Club coaching call, and when you said it to me, I was like, you did what? And I just thought, because most people would think, oh, one personal training session is too much. You're going to give them 2? Like, that's crazy. But amazing ROI, absolutely amazing. I just hope that this inspires people to not be so cynical about giving things away for free to get people in the door, because it does work. And again, if you think about it, think of multi-billion-dollar companies like Sam's Club and Costco. They hire little old ladies to sit out every single weekend and give away free samples. And why do they do that? They do that because, yes, some people will take those free samples and not buy anything, but some people will buy enough people to make it super profitable. Otherwise, they wouldn't constantly do it over and over again every single weekend. So, when I go to Sam's Club and I don't see anybody giving away free food, then I'll worry about if free offers still work. So that's amazing, man. Thank you for coming on and sharing. I look forward to hearing more about your success, man. Rock on, brother. That's awesome.
Thanks, Dan.